As a distribution or manufacturing executive, you need real-time visibility to meet customer demands. How fast or slow is each SKU moving? How can you optimize warehouse capacity? Answering these questions and others is key to meeting customer needs and growing your margin. The problem is the massive amounts of data in your ERP and warehouse management system, or WMS. In order for it to give you insights that you can act on, it first must be cleaned, connected, and mined. The Lab can help. We're North America's RPA Automation Process Improvement and Standardization Authority. Our prefabricated Super KPI data models, visualizations, and KPI calculations can bring real-time visibility to your inventory across all sites and warehouses. But that's not all. Our proven automations deliver suggested actions directly to the appropriate staff on excess stock, reorder points, and more. In fact, the analytics we're about to show you in this brief demo are part of just one of the supply chain improvement roadmap modules available from the Lab. They span prospect to quote, order to cash, procure to pay, inventory management, and more. Collectively, these roadmap modules delivered $3 to $5 million in margin and productivity gains for this mid-sized distributor. Let's see it in action. Here's how the Excess Stock Navigator analytic would look for you. It's built on the Microsoft Power BI platform, hosted on your own network, and readily accessible from your computer or mobile device. Let's scroll down. Behind the scenes, all of the analytical heavy lifting, the cleaning, connections, and mining has already been completed by the Lab, and fully automated for every single SKU, over 9,000 SKUs for the analytic view you see here. Similar or dependent SKUs, such as different colors of the same product or child components of a parent product, are linked together, as you can see here in the product family column. Product lead times are calculated and updated based on actual order histories. Safety stock and reorder points are all calculated and compared to current inventory levels. Now let's put this information to work. Wouldn't you love to know where you might have excess stock that could be moved to make space for fast-moving product? With this analytic platform, it's easy. Scroll back to the top of the page. Then simply select a single site or warehouse. Here, we're going to select Site A18. As soon as we click it, you can see that everything else updates instantly. Look, for the A18 site, you can now see the exact number of unique SKUs, inventory value, and excess stock on hand, nearly 500,000 units worth over $3.5 million. Let's drill down some more. If we type in 1 for the number of item orders invoiced and number of parent orders invoiced, look how much appears. That's 822 unique SKUs and over $905,000 of excess stock that's been ordered one time or less in the last year. Scrolling down, we can see that the bulk of that excess stock is coming from these two SKUs at the top of the list. That's inventory we should move ASAP to make room for faster moving SKUs, so a bot will send a message directly to the person you designate. Now let's ask the opposite question. Which fast-moving, high-margin items could replace the slow-moving SKUs that we just identified? All we do is scroll back to the top, clear all the filters, and resort the excess stock column from low to high. Look, now we can see several SKUs that are below their ideal inventory levels. That would cause stockouts and customer dissatisfaction. Time to take action. But here's great news. Thanks to the Lab, that action gets taken automatically. Yes, special AI-powered bots proactively serve up these insights to you and your teams to inform supply chain planning and management. The business intelligence analytic you've seen here is just one part of a single roadmap module which collectively delivered about $3 to $5 million in margin and productivity gains for this distributor. Take control of your data and your margins. Book your 30-minute screen sharing demo with the Lab today.